Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. Brand awareness and trust are without doubt indicators for more sales. The relevancy of these factors isn't the same from one brand to the other, of course. Fact is that they are connected with a positive influence. Same goes for Amazon, where the motto "show, don't tell" is true, as you have to present your brand in an online shop. Long story short, this is about Amazon brand stores. It's a free tool that you can use independently. Sellers and vendors can use it to shape their Amazon shops by themselves. The stores can be adjusted in a structured and flexible way. To use Amazon brand stores, sellers and vendors have to enroll on Amazon's brand registry. Click the video on the top right to learn how to do that. The flexibility is shown in the following pictures. For example, the marquee template allows you to add pictures and texts to present your products. This is very good when it comes to products that require some explanation. Lifestyle products are being sold because of an emotional response. This can be achieved with pictures, like in the showcase template. The product grid is based on the demonstration of the variety of options in your products. This tells the story of your brand in the most suitable way. But how is your Amazon brand store built up besides the basic design? To begin with, you have the cover photo. It should clearly show what your brand is all about, since this is the first element that a visitor will see. For explanations, you can use text-based tiles. You can type up to 2 lines to explain your brand or product. Products that have to be visually demonstrated can be placed in picture-based tiles. A good mix of both is given with the product and text tiles. While using tiles that contain both pictures and text, concentrate on the name of the product and a short text to describe it. Make it short. 4 to 8 words for the name of the product should be enough. For the size of the text, we suggest it should be on a 50-50 proportion to the picture. Keep it simple to not overwhelm or distract a visitor. As you figured out, you have multiple options to present your brand depending on your corporate identity. So what's the next step after you finish designing your Amazon brand storefront? Go to your Amazon Seller Central and click to submit for review and publish, and your Amazon store will be submitted for moderation. Keep in mind that you'll be asked to apply any changes that might be necessary. To speed up the process, you should check your draft for spelling mistakes and make sure that texts can be easily viewed even on a mobile device. You won't be able to change your draft as it is being reviewed. The review process can take up to several days. To summarize, Amazon Brand Store offers you a powerful marketing strategy, unique selling propositions, increased visibility and traffic, and a launchpad for your products. Hopefully we could give you a small insight on Amazon Brand Store. If that's the case, we would greatly appreciate if you liked and subscribed. See you in the next video, your eBakery team.